So here they are, guys, the black line overlays. They are a product by Golden Wrench Supply Co. So huge shout out to Golden Wrench for sending me these out. This is a cool little mod you can do to your rear tail lights and your rear reflectors. So let's go ahead and open them and check them out. This is pretty dope. Welcome to Team Blackline. So yeah, if you guys are interested in them, this is their Instagram, this is their Facebook. Make sure to follow them. And if you guys already have the products, make sure to definitely tag them so you guys can get featured on their social media pages. So let's go ahead and check out the actual pieces. So this is their rear taillight delete. It is a nice smoked finish. So you guys know on your factory taillights, you guys have that clear part that just looks really ugly. I don't know why BMW just didn't make everything all red, but this is a very good solution to fix that. So pretty much all you do is apply the film on there and it smokes it out and deletes it. So I was actually planning to tint my rear taillights, but I don't want to lose any of the brightness from them. So this is a perfect solution to get rid of that clear part that's on them that just looks really ugly. So moving on to the rear reflector delete. So many of you guys know I recently wrapped my car and we did wrap my rear reflectors in gloss black. So luckily I came across Golden Wrench's page and I seen that they offered these in a nice honeycomb finish that looks so good. So I'm gonna take my gloss black ones off and I'm gonna be applying these on. I think they look way better. You guys can see the nice honeycomb finish that they do have. It looks so good. So I think these are gonna look a lot better and I'll get the functionality back on my reflectors because they are there for a reason. So let's go outside and start installing them. I just wanna note one thing before we go outside. The new packaging is on point, guys. It looks amazing. So big thumbs up to you guys. Everything looks really nice. So we're gonna start off with my rear tail lights. We're gonna be deleting the reflectors first. So first step, you definitely wanna make sure you clean the surface so the film applies perfectly and there's no imperfections underneath it. So I'm gonna start off by doing that now, guys, and then we're gonna start applying the film. So now that I've cleaned it, I'm gonna start by applying the film on the actual tail light. And you can see right here, it indicates that this is the left and this is right. So obviously that's the left side. So we're gonna take this top one off and we're gonna start putting it on. So I just finished doing the left tail light and you guys can see how much of a big difference it made already. So this whole section is smoked now, and if I show you guys the other side, you guys can see that it's not smoked at all and it's full clear. So let's check out the other side before I start that so you guys can compare differences. So now we're gonna start on the right tail light, guys. It's pretty much the same thing. You guys wanna make sure you do a proper cleaning so there's no contaminants or oil underneath the film. And it's simple as that. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. So I took the gloss black wrap off. Now we're gonna start applying the actual film on there. All right, so I just finished one side. You guys can see it's on there now. Let me put some light on there so you guys can see the honeycomb finish. There you go. Looks so good. Obviously, when lights are hitting these, like in the streets when you're driving and stuff, those honeycomb shapes will pop out. But the lighting in my garage isn't the best, but you guys can really see the shapes. It looks so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up the other side and that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I know it's short and simple, but I just wanna give a huge shout out to Golden Wrench for sending me their black line overlay kit. If you guys have an M2 or an M2 competition, make sure to hit them up. All the links will be down below in the description how to get a hold of them. I highly recommend the products. It was a super easy install for both the rear taillights and the rear bumper reflectors. So yeah, guys, huge shout out to you guys again. Thank you for sending me this out. I hope to see you guys at SEMA. Peace out.